In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Epson M100 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on Open to continue. So in a few seconds, you'd be redirected to the Google Chrome browser. Please wait until everything are set here before you proceed. So once the search bar would be available for us, please type for Epson space M100 driver. Once you're done typing, hit the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. So please proceed to the first result, okay, which is this one. Click on it. And in a few moments, you would be redirected to this kind of window. Please scroll down on the list and click on this downloads and wait until you can select your operating system and wait until you can see the printer driver that you can download here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, so please select the operating system, click on this down arrow key and select your operating system and click on go. So from here, please scroll down on the list again and go with downloads and wait until a driver will be available for us. And once it's here, please click on drivers and it will show you the printer driver. Aligning to it, you can see there a download option. Please click on it. And if it will ask you to accept on the license agreement, please click on accept. And in that way, you can now start on the downloading. So click on keep and please wait for this one to be completed before we proceed to the installation. Once done, please click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So from here, please make a right click again. Okay. And you need to click on this cut icon, close the window, as well as this one. And here at the desktop, please make a right click and go with the spaced icon. Now, once you have moved it to the desktop, you can extract the file by double tapping on this application, or you can simply make a right click and please scroll down on the list and use the WinRAR tool to extract it. So go with extract to and wait until it would be successfully extracted here in our Windows 11 PC or laptop. So kindly wait until a file folder would be appearing or would be showing at the desktop. Once it is here, please navigate to the start icon, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. So you can also press Windows key and I key together and in that way or manner you would be able to bring up the settings window. So wait until everything are set here in our settings. And once it's here, please navigate to the option called Bluetooth and devices and please scroll down and go with printers and scanners and there you can see an option where you can add device. Click on it and wait until the process would be done for you to be proceeded to the option called add manually where you can manually add the printer driver. So click on it And this kind of window will show up where you can find by other options. Click on add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next and click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB port. So it could be 001, 2, or 3. In my case, I'll be using USB 001. So click on next and go with have disk and click on browse. Since our extracted file has been located to the desktop, then we need to navigate to the desktop. Please click on it. And here at the desktop, scroll down and proceed to your downloaded or extracted file. So just double tap to it. And once you have seen the driver, please click on open. Go with OK. And it will be added here. Please click on next and click on next, and in that way it can now start on the installation. So please wait for a few minutes or a few seconds until this would be done, okay? Okay, so if you would like to allow for printer sharing, turn this on, and if you don't want to, you can turn the other one on, which is do not share this printer. So click on next. And here it will ask you to set it as a default printer. You can check the box if you want to. In my case, I'm leaving it unchecked, and you can also print a test page to check if your printer is working properly. So click on finished, and there you have it. You have just successfully installed the Epson M100 in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, you can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.